Confused about what to make for dinner? Want something veg delicious and full of flavor? So today we're sharing 3 amazing veg dinner recipes that are perfect for weekdays and even special dinners at home. Let's start cooking. First up, the ultimate Indo-Chinese favorite, Paneer Manchurian. In a bowl, add maida, corn flour, chili powder and salt. Now add water and make a smooth slurry. Next, add paneer cubes and coat them really well. Heat oil in a pan and fry these paneer cubes until golden and crispy. Remove and keep aside. Now for the sauce, heat some oil in another pan, add chopped ginger and garlic, saute till aromatic. Now add chopped onions and cook slightly. Now add soy sauce, chili sauce and a little ketchup if you like. Now add the fried paneer cubes and spices. Toast everything gently. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce beautifully coats the paneer. Now garnish with spring onion greens and sesame seeds. Your restaurant-style Paneer Manchurian is ready. Now let's make something quick and masaledar, tomato bhurji. Now heat oil in a pan and add butter. Once melted, add chopped garlic and saute lightly. Next, add finely chopped onions and salt. Cook for 5 minutes until slightly golden. Now add finely chopped tomatoes. Now it's time to add the spices. Add turmeric, sambar masala, kitchen king masala, garam masala, pav bhaji masala and Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything really well and add half cup water. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, mash it nicely. Add fresh coriander leaves and mix. Now serve hot with roti, paratha or even bread. Now let's end with a wholesome classic, Aloo Palak. Now boil water and add spinach leaves. Let them cook for a few minutes. Now drain and immediately add cold water to retain the bright green color. Now grind into a smooth puree and keep aside. Now in a pan, heat oil and butter. Add chopped onions and saute. Add green masala paste and mix. Now add potatoes and salt. Cover and cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Add red chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Pour in the spinach puree, mix well, cover and cook for 5 minutes. And your comforting aloo palak is ready. So these were 3 super delicious veg dinner recipes that are easy, flavorful and perfect for everyday cooking. Tell us in the comments which one are you trying first. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more such tasty vegetarian recipes.